Good morning, children. How are you? I hope you all are fine. Now, let's continue with our new topic in this module. I had already covered some certain topics in earlier session, and now we will start a new topic: IT in education. So, how the computer helpful in education? In education, computers used in education for teaching, learning, and assessment. As you know, we all are aware computer are used in each and every application or area, and computer also used in helpful in education also. For which purpose? Teaching, learning, and assessment purpose. And the learning become easy and accessible through IT. We all are aware learning with the help of a computer, it will be easy to learn and easy to understand and accessible with the through of a computer. Means IT, information technology, digital devices we are using in our education. A lot of teaching resources are available for teachers to teach in the better in a better way. There's so many resources we are using. With the help of these resources, the teacher to teach in a better way. Like you all are aware, in the so many schools we are using a smart classes, and then sometimes the when you have to be in college, and then you do some standard courses to be online, and then sometimes to be teachers will use the computer to find out the certain topics with the via the internet. This a better way. And then these are the some advantages I just tell about this. These are the some advantages or the better way to uh, teach the students with the help of a different ways. What are the different ways in education we use a IT? How the IT means computer helpful in a education with different ways. One is the ICT in a classroom, and second one is the education anywhere any time, and teaching aid and media, and fourth one is the LMS stands for a learning management system. Means these are the different ways how they which we are using, and then give the teaching with the help of a IT. With the help of IT, we're teaching a different ways and the better ways, and then give the information to students with the different type of ways. What are the different type of ways? One is the I already discussed ICT in the classroom. Means information and communication technology is used for education in the classroom with the different ways. You all are aware, you all are know about that. So e-learning classes, some schools are using e-learning classrooms, and then they have a user sometimes a smart board presentations and videos on experiments. For example, the summer science teacher use a experiment in front of you in chemistry lab or a bio lab. If these are the type of experiment with the help of a smart class show like as a video, so that topic will be understand better way. That topic will be understand easily, and uh, understand easily and become easy to know how the experiment work. And some type of educational games also, with the help of these educational games we understand the difficult topics. And then assessment also to be a assessment also the children via the different type of a worksheet. These are only not only these are the other rest of just like a desktop publishing of magazines and letters and then documents we are using with the help of a IT. And learning using a CD-ROM and then media means some type of as you know ki some books have the backside one CD. With the help of that CD we understand the topics with the videos in the computer. Means you are also use a computer with the help of these CDs to understand the learning. We understand the topics. and then educational games, and then gathering in educational information on the internet. Sometimes teachers to be gather so many information to give the students with the help of a internet, or internet use with as a IT means a digital device, means information technology, means as all are aware, means information communication technology is used for education in the classroom for learning purpose. And then some second one is the education anywhere anytime. All are know means education now on now this time we have to be a learning by the EB WBT, means via the internet. We use a web based training, we use a online classings, we use a online classes, means web based training. With the web based training we contact with the teachers and the trainers via the internet, means as you have no any type of a foundation of your timing, and then not to be going to any other place, you have to be sit at home or anywhere. When you are going to anywhere, you have a one digital device as your laptop or your mobile. With the help of these IT device, digital devices, you have to be learn anywhere anytime according to your requirement. Yeah, educational resources on any topic, to access educational resources on any topic. I repeat my words, there are a variety of websites and the mobile apps to access educational resources on any topic. And then what the help benefit of the anywhere anytime education, you can also contact a teachers or a trainers by the internet to use the web based training. Web based training means online classes. Sometimes you are some students to be login in a Byju's website or a Vedantu website. They have the e-learning, yeah, web based training session. They have a provide web based sessions. Web based sessions with the help of a online class will learn the any education book or any educational topic or any subject with on any subjects. Like, and other one is the benefit. Sometimes you all are aware, like any students in India, you can access the NCERT book online through the website www.epathshala.nic.in, or a different type of a mobile app which will be helpful for e-learning or e-books they will be provided. Now as all are aware, in these days we all send in your class group the e-learning website e-book websites with the different on the different subjects on the different classes with to third to 12th class. Different books they are provided by the different publishers, means online books, e-books to be provided, because the now this time or lockdown time we are not, we don't have a hard copy of the new books, so that the publisher provide the e-books, and then you all are use the epathshala.nic.in, the online books by the NCERT provided. Now this is a one benefit, a better way of learning, and then one is the better way is the ICT in a classroom in education, and one is the third one is a better way of ICT is the teaching aid and media. Teaching aid means teachers are using different type of methods or medium with use with the help of ICT, means ICT is also used mostly as a teaching aid in school too. How they are using some pictures, animations and audio visuals informations to explain the subjects that are the difficult, that sometimes the difficult subject to be explained by the pictures. Teachers give the how sometimes to be a lesson will be interesting using the presentations, make the presentation. For example, now this time we have to be a combined efforts. We can so many students in whatever you have to be send of videos, interesting videos, and we have to be a combined efforts to make a one presentation to give the information related to COVID-19. We all are aware, and then one presentation make and then send to your group, and then other our school wings group. And this is a better way to be informed with the help of a interesting way, as using a presentation. And I hope you understood my point. And then obtain the information relevant to the subject means sometimes the relevant information we have to be obtained by the internet and then give to the students, and sometimes to be give the home assignments or a project work and the poster making, and you all are research some information related to these topic from the internet, and then you get it, and then you make these or record this information in your books or a poster you will be make, whatever you want relevant topics from the internet. Means internet you are using a computer, and organize lesson using a computer. Sometimes teachers will be organize their lesson plan with the help of computers. As you all know, the your question papers also computerized. So means in education we are using a we have to be a give a assessment or a give a papers to you with the help of a computer is a digital device, means information technology. Now this is the one means in how the ICT is helpful for teachers, and how the ICT helpful for students learning education, and then how the ICT helpful in a classroom for different type of ways, with the help of different type of ways. And one is the one more better way of learning for students. One is the LMS. I already discussed with you learning management system. Learning, what is the learning management system now? And you all know sometimes the library management system, some is the administrative management system, fee structure management system, and this is the one is a learning management system. Is just like a software. This is a one software to manage the complete learning system, in which we students to be learn about the different topics, and then consult with the teachers send the tutorials, and then you ask different type of queries. That's why this is a one software helpful for learning management system. Now I give the information. LMS is being used by many countries to manage school system, manage school learning system. A student or teachers can register himself or herself on the official website to access LMS and get many services from the LMS. Many services, just like means sometimes now in India also aware, so many students are aware regarding a learning management system. Mostly this software, this management system is used in other countries. Many countries are using this type of a software learning management system, because the schools teachers and the students log in this official websites, and then give the tutorials to the students, and then students done their work online, and then submit to the teachers, and teachers to be assess that their students, and then give the progress report also. What the benefit? Now we discuss the benefit by using the LMS. Now what are the benefits? Learn lesson anytime and anywhere. This is a one benefit. It's very good. In other countries, this is a LMS software, because the students are login or registers on the school website, and the teachers also log in on the school website. They give the lesson day by day to the students, and then students have their according to their time, and they are anywhere, any place they have their resources, just like a mobile or a laptop or the iPad phone. Whatever they have learned, and then understood that topics, and then submit their queries also, getting reply. So students, they have any type of queries, they have to be submit, and then whatever the time of the teachers, they give the reply. and then participate in the co-curriculum activities via the videos. Sometimes now this time you all are aware, we give the task to all of them students to send the video. This is the one co-curriculum activities related to the COVID-19. You all are participate, and then a very good efforts to done by the so many students in 9th and 10th class. Very good, appreciated by the school principal and other principal for our wing. Very good students. And then this is the one is the online means participate co-curriculum activities via videos, and then after that the monitor the progress of their children. This is the one LMS in education system. We are use the education in better way. I hope you all are understood कि education में IT कैसे helpful है with the different ways. Now come to the next topic, IT in business. Means computer means use different type of technologies used in a business also. How? Let's know. Computers are used in a business organizations for a payroll calculations, and then budgeting reports, and then sales analysis, and then financial forecast and managing, etc. Different type of work with business person, business holders, shareholders done these work with the help of a different type of a technology. According to their, they have to be work efficiently. They work efficiently. A lot of business transactions happens through internet. It's called the e-commerce. This is a one also part of the business. Means with the help of a technology, we have to be a online transactions. We online a transaction via the internet. This feature is called the e-commerce. This feature is called e-commerce. And then this is also one business work in with the help of IT. And sometimes railway stations and then airlines, we use a large scale of computer applications for their reservation system. Means we have to be reserve online your seats in the via the internet in airlines or railway stations, or different type of now the bus reservations also, and then the taxi booking also online. These are the different type of a business. In these business we are using a technology and different type of applications in these type of a work we are using. Now other business like that have a large scales of computing requirements are insurance claims, and then online banking work, and then large numbers of users, and then operations interacting. That so many type of business, they have a large scale business. They have to be use a computer technology, different type of computers, digital technology they are using, and which type of a work they required for which type of a work. Sometimes they give the insurance claims, I mean insurance payment to be given, and then online payment to be given, and then sometimes to be a deal with the customers, and then other persons conferencing calls. Different type of a work to be done with the help of a technology. These type of a work in the business. Other so many works, just like online uh, if you have to be a online transaction in e-commerce, so you are using a e-card, matlab you are using a I mean to say that you are using a card, smart cards. You are using smart cards like a credit card or a debit card you are using. They in these cards they have a one is a metallic strip. One is a metallic strip on which the users of the personal identical informations, just we say the pin number, that is very secure number you are using as a metallic strip. As a metallic strip it will be a work. This is a pin number. You have to be give the transaction in the for your business. If you are using a e-commerce online transaction you be done, that is the work also in the business. Means you are using a smart card also. And what are the different facilities provided by the IT? Not only these type of work you are using in business, the IT facilitates provide like in marketing business and customer visiting, and then product browsing, and then text and shopping receipts and process ordering. Sometimes you going to the malls and buy some products and then give the text, and when you take a receipt and give the money to the money, they have to be all type of processing for the order processing means text, and then a receipt you given by that particular person, and different type of facilities provided by IT and many more. I don't write here, you did it. And then now come to the next point is we already discussed e-commerce. What is the e-commerce? And e-commerce offers the services. What type of a services the provided by offers by e-commerce? Inventory management, transactions, documentation, sometimes a presentation and gathering information, and use the smart card. Again, I give the information in the earlier topic, means in the business we have to be a do transactions with the help of a smart card. We are using a sometimes a debit card or a credit card if you are using a online transactions. In online transaction means these are the services. Not only these are many more services provided by the offered by the e-commerce. I hope you all are understand कि in business how the IT or digital information technology work. Now next point we discuss, that is a IT in a science and engineering. IT, I already told you कि technology used in each and every place. I discusses important points are the science and the engineering. Means scientists and engineers all or are use computers for performing a complex scientific calculations. Different type of work done by the engineers and scientists. Engineer done what type of work done by the engineer? First I discuss, means that is one different type of application. CAD means computer aided design, and then CAM, computer aided manufacturing. These are the applications. What type of application they work? These are the applications are used for drawing, designing, and does simulating and testing the design. Means these are the application done for a done by the engineer for these type of a task. These type of a task means drawing and designing and simulating and testing the design. So these applications are used, these areas are used, these computers are used for this type of a work. means drawing बनाने के लिए और डिज़ाइनिंग परफेक्ट होनी चाहिए, और उसको टेस्ट करने के लिए इट इज़ विल बी अ डन, देन आफ्टर दैट इट विल बी अ प्रोसेस and it will be a proceed in a market. That is the work done by the engineers. You all are aware ki what type of a work done by engineers. And then how the work how the IT helpful for scientists, they are the complex scientific applications like a rocket launching, as all are aware. And then one is the space explorations, and then weather forecasting, and then population counting. The different type of a work done by the scientist, and these type of a work we are using the information technologies, means different type of a modern technologies. I repeat, modern technology we are using in a scientist laboratories, science laboratories. You all are aware that now this time our Indian scientists launched one rocket with the help of a different type of a technology. They have to be find out first, they have to be testing first, then it will be launched. Now I cover this topic, the IT in scientist by the science, and then engineering. And then IT is also used in a insurance work, and IT used in a marketing work, and IT used in a bank work. Banking also I gave a one task earlier session. Then you are using read about the some study material I provide to you, and then write the 2 to 3 points related to these topics in your fair notebook. IT use in a insurance, and then IT use in marketing, IT use in banking, and then write the full form also these terms, and learn all the type of short forms to full form in this chapter. Now come to the next point, IT in healthcare. You all are you aware कि healthcare, what type of a healthcare work, healthcare sector use IT also, means computer use different type of machines, digital machines use in healthcare sectors. Now type of ways, different ways क्या कौन से वर्क के लिए यूज़ करते हैं. हॉस्पिटल मैनेजमेंट सिस्टम इज़ यूज टू maintain and manage patients records as well as the various activities, and the various activities done by the hospitals with the different type of digital machines. And what type of machines are, the variety of machines are used for ECG and EEG and ultrasound and scanning machines and so on. They are the cardiologic machine, and then they are the a sugar testing machine, blood pressure measuring machine, different type of a machine. They are the digital technology machines. Then come to the next point, means hospital में और क्या वर्क करने के लिए यूज़ करते हैं हम लोग. Variety of measuring instruments are surgical equipments are used to monitor the patient conditions during the surgery. Then these machines also helpful in the surgery time, at the surgery time, to check the or the monitor the patient's condition also. And then computer also used for use in a laboratories and dispensaries for what type of our scanning and diagnose the different type of diseases. These are type of a work done in a healthcare, means in the healthcare. And what type of now we discuss in this session कि use of ICT in diagnose, means how to diagnose with the help of a different machines type of a diseases in different parts of the body, body organs, how it work also, how it works and operations. And then now first one, different type of machines we are using in a hospital. One is a CAT, computerized axial tomography machine, one this type of a machine. And sometimes the magnetic resonance imaging machines, means MRI machine you are using doctors to diagnose. And electrocardiogram machines, ECG machines we are doctors are using to scan other different type of parts. And then cardiac screen machine also using, and electroencephalography machine and cyclophackography machines also they are using. And sometimes using a blood sugar testing machine, and sometimes using a blood pressure measuring machine. These type of machines are the digital machines, means technologies they are using. They are using technology. What type of work they are using. Now come to the operations of these machines, how which machines these machines are work. Now first we discuss the computerized axial tomography machine, CAT. Then learn these full form also. Again I tell you using this machine 3D images of different parts of the body can be made and the helpful to diagnose the diseases, means it shows the 3D image of the part of the body. It will be helpful for doctors to diagnose the disease, means 3D effect show more effectively to diagnose the disease. And second we discuss the magnetic resonance imaging machine, MRI machine. MRI machines are used to give the digital impression of internal organs. किस लिए यूज़ की जाती है, डिजिटल impressions of internal organs and of the body by using the strong magnetic fields and the radio waves. How it will be show the digital impression? Because in the MRI machine have the magnetic field and the radio waves. It will be show the digitally impressions of internal organs. And then now discuss the electrocardiogram machine. Electrocardiogram machine, ECG machine. I show you images also if I comfortably show with the images. Let's try. Now this machine is used to monitor the heartbeat. Which how it work? ECG machine is used to monitor the heartbeat and record the electrical pulses and show it in the form of a graph like this. Means if any patient have a heart problem and they have to be come in hospital for testing, ECG machine will be show the pulses like a graph. Pulses will be show like a graph with the help of ECG machine and monitor the heartbeat. Now next one is a machine technology is used. Cardiac screen machine. Cardiac screen machine क्या वर्क करती है? It will be display the movement inside the heart. Inside the heart movement will be show with the help of a cardiac screening machine. Means like the plump of the heart, like this plump of the heart. Possible to diagnose the problem of a heart. It will be helpful to the doctor to diagnose easily कि heartbeat कैसे work कर रही है and thinning of the veins and their recommended treatment. Means उनकी heartbeat की thinning veins कैसे work कर रही हैं, plump कर रही हैं, according to that give the treatment by the doctors. Then the one is the electroencephalogy and sorry again I repeat, electroencephalography and flography machine means EEG, used to record the activities of brain. Means brain activities to be recorded or monitor or retrieve the data with the help of a EEG machines. I show you these images if I am possible to be show with this video. Okay, next come to the next point. It will be a blood sugar machine. I hope all the some persons have this type of a machine at home. Blood sugar machines and then blood pressure machines most probably some persons have at home. And then it will be diagnose the sample of bloods and then determine the blood glucose level. This machine क्या work करती है? Determine the blood glucose level. And then next one is the blood pressure measuring machines. This one is the machine to measure the blood pressure of a person. The different type of a technology digital machines we are discuss in hospital or any type of laboratories and the dispensaries used by the doctors, the consulted persons, and different type of operation done by these machines. I hope you all are understood these topics. I covered the all topics in this chapter. Now chapter is finished.